Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week, our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring during the next week. Traders are hoping for a week with little drama and stress. This week's data flow will be as light as we move to the end of the third quarter. Trading will be light towards the end of the week, with an important Jewish holidays finding traders out of the office. Tuesday, Japan will be closed for the Autumn Equinox. Asian data is light, with China releasing HSBC manufacturing PMI late on Monday. This release will be watched closely as manufacturing numbers have been declining lately, stressing the global economy. On Tuesday, traders will be manufacturing and services PMI from each Eurozone member of the overall Eurozone number. At the end of the week, traders will see all-important Japanese inflation data, which could spark the Bank of Japan into action. Most of the data this week will come from the US, although traders will look closely at German business expectations on Wednesday. In the US, the week kicks off with the release of Chicago Federal Reserve National Activity Index, together with data on existing home sales. Economists expect that home sales fell by 3% in August. On Tuesday, the market will release flash readings on manufacturing activity in the US, Europe and China. The data can be volatile, but are still watching by investors. On Wednesday, data on new home sales is released together with the weekly report on mortgage transactions, purchases and refinancing. Economists expect that new home sales rose by around 5% in August after falling for the past 2 months from near 6-year highs. On Thursday, the weekly data on unemployment insurance is issued together with durable goods orders, a measurable of business investment. Also on Thursday, the Kansas City Federal Reserve manufacturing gauge is released. On Friday in the US, revised GDP figures are released, together with consumer sentiment. Traders will be closely monitoring the data after the OECD downgrade US growth for 2014 to 2.1%. Consumer sentiment probably held near 84.6 in September, the best level since July 2013, and just off the strongest readings in 7 years.